Dang, she don't want to play, man. Let's do the dance.
I'm down to dance, baby.
There it is, bro. That's hefty. Hey, you mind your own business over there. I said, you mind your own business over there. Hey, you shut your mouth.
You pop that cork.
Unfortunately, guys, he's not the one with the YouTube channel. The one catching the little trout is. But we'll come check out the guy catching the big boys and girls. Oh, bro, yeah. Oh, and she's so white, dude. That's beautiful. Look at that, like hardly any spots on her.